going to be our ingredients for our fried ripe plantain, kelewele or kalawele, anyhow you want to call it. Yes, so I got my peanut here. Peanut is optional if you're allergic. And this is my salt, powdered pepper, and that is my CONNIEMARTS Foods made spices. You can get some from CONNIEMARTS servers on Instagram or on Facebook. You can also call the number below and you get some shipped to wherever you are. So with this, it contains rosemary, white pepper, ngetenkete, nut milk, bay leaves, like a whole lot of stuff. So you don't need anything for your ingredients. Okay, all right, now I've got the main order for the day, guys. Let's dive into it. So I'm going to cover it and keep it in the refrigerator, okay, for about 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes for it to dry. Yep. guys, so our fried plantain or kelewele is ready, guys. Yes. Yeah, and you can just consume it like that, or you can top it up with some pepper and your peanut, guys. I mean, whatever you want to eat with it depends on you. You can have it with some beans, you can have it with some rice, and Charlie, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from CONNIEMARTS TV. And I will see you next time. Bye.